It is an honor and a pleasure for us to host the meeting of the most important and prestigious global medical organization, the World Medical Association, WMA. The magnificent city of Porto will be the ideal meeting point for discussion and an exchange of experience and knowledge about health, about patients, and all topics related to doctors and the medical profession. We are committed to providing a welcoming and productive environment where all participants can share their perspectives and learn from one another. It will be a privilege to contribute to the development of a fundamental human right, access to quality healthcare. This event will be a unique opportunity to strengthen ties, discuss global challenges, and explore innovative solutions that can benefit communities around the world. We thank everyone for being present and dedicating themselves to this noble cause. We hope you enjoy not only the working sessions, but also the rich culture and warm hospitality that Porto has to offer. May this meeting be a significant milestone in promoting global health and strengthening our international medical community.